Welcome to the Bubble Art Attack.
Welcome to a little Bubble Art Attack. Today we're doing art ideas from recycling. Solar system mobiles from recycled products. We cut open this and this is how it looks inside.
Silvery.
Using some cookie cutter and some stars out of the
Now we cut it out.
And this is how they come.
Yes, the star sequence is gone.
Yeah, and this is how the planets look.
Ooh.
What are the planets? What is this?
Sun,
Then there's Mercury,
Mercury, Venus, Earth,
Mars, Saturn,
Saturn,
Uranus.
Uranus,
This is Uranus. Uranus,
Neptune.
there's the Saturn here. It's a
Brown,
greenish yellow.
greenish yellow.
And what are you going to play?
The sun!
Okay. And what is the color you choose for the sun? Orange?
Orange and golden.
Okay.
Now I'm doing the Saturn ring.
That's
Look
her
at it,
Saturn.
so droopy.
How's yours coming along?
Good. Look at that.
And look, it's
Good color code.
There
Ooh.
we go. Now it's some zigzag.
Yeah, that's looking good.
And I'm going to put up.
Orange. It'll become little reddish. What are you doing, Gudu?
Coloring the golden.
You're making your sun orangish gold.
Yeah. That makes
Okay. Wow, that looks nice. It's like a little combination of colors happening in your plate. It gives you that feeling of planet. Give a coat of green for your Saturn.
Guys, I'm doing Venus.
What color is Venus?
Venus is orange.
And what are you doing, Devansh?
Uranus. I mean Neptune.
Okay, Uranus is little dark and Neptune is light. And here we have Venus as orange. And we have a brown planet, which is Mars. Are you having fun painting your planets?
Yes.
Yes.
Nice blending. He's blending.
Guys, this is my Mars.
Nice.
The planets have dried and now we're gonna fix it to the hanger. Hot gluing the planets. Guys, I'm hot gluing the Saturn.
Be careful with the hot glue.
Simran, what would it be like if you were an astronaut?
I don't know.
Okay, but what would it feel like if you were in space? Floating to the moon would be good, right? Okay, next comes Saturn. No, guys. You can draw a ring with a pencil or a marker, or you can use a real ring with cardboard. It doesn't matter. Okay, make sure the hot glue doesn't stick to your hands. That burns. Okay, we'll let that dry. And now we're moving on to Uranus. For Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, the solar system song. Guys, this is how well it's come. Me and my mom have been doing the hot gluing, and Simran will just see.
So we finished Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. Next comes
Jupiter.
Jupiter.
It's Saturn.
I'm fixing it. Okay. We finished the planets now. It's the stars turn. I can't reach the stars.
They are here.
Go.
Done, and here's how it looks. We put stickers.
Eight planets in the solar system. They revolve around the sun.
There are Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth,
and
Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune.
The planets in the solar system, they revolve around the sun. The 8 planets are Venus, Earth, and Mars. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune.
Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. The rest of it, they have put planets, stars, and some astronauts and people researching about the planets.
Hi friends, I'm Simran, astronaut India. 10, 9, 8, 7, 5, 4, 3, 1. Last row.
Are you going to the space? Your space is here. Okay.
Bye. Crafty, please subscribe.